Rukita provides multiple services in property where you can book property and property in Indonesia and rent, collaborate and sell also. You can see that here. So directly you can use as per your requirement here and also book, and also you can see here rate about the property in Indonesia. If you want to rent on 2000 around and also 1800 around and also 1700 around and also 1600 around, you can get a rent. And also here search another destination like in which is based in Indonesia, and all details you can give from Indonesia. So this is the best platform to book a ticket, book a property, and also see your social media account here where you can get a more information about it, where you can see the entire details about the platform.